Dreaming of Thailand's beaches and street food, but feeling a little overwhelmed by the planning? We've been there. That's why we created the guide we wish we had, turning our own travel mistakes and research into answers for 34 essential questions. Stick with us, and you'll learn how to avoid common pitfalls, save money, and travel like a pro on your adventure. Let's get started.
Do I need a visa to visit Thailand? It depends on your nationality. As of the time this video is recorded, nationals from 93 countries and territories are eligible for visa-free entry into Thailand for up to 60 days for purposes such as tourism, business, urgent tasks, or short-term work. This stay can be extended once for an additional period of up to 30 days. Plus, travelers from 31 countries can now obtain a visa on arrival at Thai immigration checkpoints, allowing for 15-day stays for tourism purposes. Always check the latest official Thai immigration or embassy website since visa rules change frequently. But that's not all. Starting May 1st, 2025, Thailand has introduced the Thailand Digital Arrival Card, TDAC. This mandatory digital form must be completed by all foreign travellers within 72 hours before arrival. The TDAC is designed to speed up immigration and strengthen border security. Need help with the TDAC? Check the link in the description for step-by-step instructions.
What is the best time of year to visit Thailand? Planning your trip around the weather and events can make all the difference. Here's when to go to Thailand in. Generally, the best time to visit Thailand for ideal weather is from November to February. During this period, you'll enjoy pleasant, dry, and cooler conditions, especially in popular destinations like Bangkok, Chiang Mai, and along the Andaman coast. Think Phuket and Krabi. However, if you're planning to visit the Gulf Coast islands like Koh Samui, Koh Phangan, or Koh Tao, their best weather window is from January through September, due to a different monsoon pattern. Keep in mind that the cool, dry season is also peak tourist season, meaning bigger crowds and higher prices. In northern Thailand, be cautious of the burning season from roughly February to April. Air quality and visibility can drop significantly due to agricultural fires, which may be problematic if you're sensitive to smoke or pollution. Additionally, March to May marks the hottest time of year across much of Thailand, particularly in central and northern areas, making outdoor activities more exhausting and potentially uncomfortable.
What are the best festivals to experience in Thailand? If you're timing your trip around Thailand's most iconic festivals, consider April for Songkran, Thai New Year. This nationwide water festival is famous for its wild, fun-filled celebrations in the streets. But keep in mind, it's also the hottest time of the year. Alternatively, visit in November for the breathtaking Loy Krathong Festival of Lights, where locals float decorated offerings, krathongs, on rivers across the country. November also features the Yipeng Lantern Festival, most spectacularly celebrated in Chiang Mai, where thousands of glowing lanterns are released into the night sky, creating a magical, spiritual atmosphere. These November festivals usually fall during Thailand's cooler season and offer visually stunning, more serene experiences, but they are extremely popular, so it's important to book accommodations and transport well in advance. Pro tip: always verify exact festival dates, as many are based on the lunar calendar and vary each year.
What are the top things to see and do in Thailand? Thailand is rich in history and culture, and some landmarks are simply unmissable. Start with the Grand Palace in Bangkok, a dazzling architectural masterpiece and spiritual heart of the Thai kingdom. Nearby, visit Wat Pho, home to the iconic reclining Buddha, and the birthplace of traditional Thai massage. History lovers should explore Ayutthaya Historical Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site featuring ancient ruins and temples from Thailand's former capital. And if you're heading north, Chiang Mai's Old City offers a captivating mix of ancient temples, moats, and city walls dating back over 700 years.
Thailand's beaches are world-renowned, and there's a perfect one for every kind of traveller. Phuket offers soft, sandy shores, vibrant nightlife, and family-friendly resorts. For postcard-worthy beauty, head to the Phi Phi Islands, famous for their turquoise waters and dramatic cliffs. If you're looking for something a bit more laid-back and scenic, Railay Beach in Krabi is accessible only by boat and features stunning limestone cliffs, crystal clear water, and a chill vibe ideal for both relaxation and rock climbing.
What are some unique Thai experiences? Dive into the bustling energy of the Chatuchak Weekend Market, where you can shop for everything from street food to handmade crafts. Glide through the charming floating markets like Damnoan Saduak or Amphawa, where vendors sell fruits, snacks, and souvenirs straight from their boats. Don't miss a visit to the Elephant Nature Park in Chiang Mai, a sanctuary offering ethical interactions with rescued elephants. And for a deeply relaxing experience, treat yourself to an authentic Thai massage, available everywhere from luxurious spas to local parlors, offering centuries-old techniques to rejuvenate your body and mind.
Is Thailand safe for travelers? Safety is a top concern for any traveler. Let's discuss the current safety landscape in Thailand for and how you can stay secure during your visit. Thailand is generally considered safe for tourists. However, it's important to stay vigilant, especially in crowded areas where petty theft can occur. While isolated, recent incidents, such as a tourist being attacked by a tiger at a theme park in Phuket, underscore the importance of following safety guidelines and exercising caution when engaging with wildlife attractions. There have also been reports of a British couple who tragically died after consuming fake cocaine. It's essential to avoid all illegal substances and to be cautious when accepting drinks or food from strangers.
What is the local currency, and can you use credit cards in Thailand? The local currency in Thailand is the Thai baht, THB. Credit and debit cards are widely accepted in hotels, malls, and larger restaurants, especially in major cities and tourist hotspots. However, it's smart to carry some cash for smaller vendors, street markets, and rural areas. Keep in mind that some businesses add a surcharge, typically around 2–3%, when you pay by card. Additionally, places like 7-Eleven may require a minimum purchase, for example 200 baht, to use a card. Always check payment policies before purchasing.
Are ATMs and currency exchange services easily available in Thailand? ATMs are widely available across Thailand, including at airports, shopping malls, and city streets. Currency exchange booths are also common in airports and major tourist areas. Keep in mind that Thai banks charge a flat fee of 220 baht per ATM withdrawal, no matter the amount. To reduce fees, it's smart to withdraw the maximum allowable amount each time. Also, notify your bank before traveling to avoid any issues with international.
How can I get around Thailand? Navigating a new country can be daunting. Here's your comprehensive guide to transportation options in Thailand. Thailand offers a variety of transportation modes: BTS SkyTrain and MRT subway, efficient and affordable options for getting around Bangkok, tuk-tuks and taxis, popular for short distances. Always agree on the fare beforehand or ensure the meter is running. Motorbike taxis, ideal for quick trips, helmets are mandatory. Intercity travel, options include buses, trains, and domestic flights. Thailand is also launching new high-speed rail services, enhancing connectivity between major cities.
What kind of clothes should you pack? Pack light, breathable clothing to stay cool in Thailand's tropical heat. Make sure to include modest outfits, such as shirts with sleeves and long pants or skirts, when visiting temples and other sacred sites. And don't forget your swimwear for enjoying the beautiful beaches and hotel pools.
What travel essentials should you bring? Bring plenty of sunscreen and insect repellent, especially if you plan to explore nature or outdoor markets. It's also a good idea to carry travel insurance documents just in case. Thailand uses a mix of plug types A, B, C, or F, so a universal power adapter will come in handy. What should you leave at home? Avoid packing too many electronics or valuables that aren't essential for your trip. Also, skip the heavy jackets unless you're traveling to northern Thailand during the cooler winter months, when temperatures can drop slightly.
What are the cultural norms and etiquette I should be aware of? In Thailand, show respect with the Y greeting, a slight bow with hands pressed together. Dress modestly at temples, cover your shoulders and knees. Always remove your shoes before entering homes or sacred places. Never touch anyone's head, and don't point your feet at people or Buddha images. The royal family is highly respected. Avoid negative comments or gestures. Follow these simple customs for a warm welcome in Thailand.
Are vaccinations required before traveling to Thailand? No mandatory vaccines for most travelers, but stay up to date on routine shots. Consider hepatitis A and B and typhoid. Consult your doctor before you go.
How much money do I need per day in Thailand? Thailand fits any budget. For budget travelers, you can comfortably get by on $30 to $50 per day, covering basic accommodations, local meals, and public transportation. A mid-range budget of $60 to $100 per day allows for nicer hotels and occasional dining out, and luxury seekers from $150 plus. Street food, guest houses, and local transport keep costs low. Splurge on resorts or tours if you wish.
Can I drink tap water in Thailand? Don't drink tap water. Stick to bottled water, which is cheap and everywhere. Brushing teeth with tap water is usually fine, but play it safe for drinking.
What are the best areas to stay in Thailand for first-time visitors? First-timers love Bangkok's Sukhumvit or Riverside, Chiang Mai's Old City, and Phuket's Patong or quieter Kata Karan. Krabi's Ao Nang and Railay Beach are also great. These spots are tourist-friendly and full of options.
Is Thailand a family-friendly destination? Absolutely. Thailand is fantastic for families. Think beaches, ethical elephant sanctuaries, boat trips, and kid-friendly hotels. There's something for every age, and the food is a hit with kids.
Is Thailand a good destination for digital nomads? Thailand is a hotspot for digital nomads, with Chiang Mai and Bangkok standing out as popular bases thanks to their affordable living costs, co-working spaces, and solid infrastructure for remote work. It also offers favorable visa options like the Destination Thailand Visa, DTV, which allows you to stay for up to 180 days per visit, with the option to extend for another 180 days each time.
What types of food should I try in Thailand? Don't miss pad thai, tom yum goong, green or massaman curry, and mango sticky rice. Street food is a must. Try everything. Thai cuisine is a flavor adventure.
How do I stay connected in Thailand? SIM cards with data are affordable and widely available in Thailand, especially at airports and convenience stores like 7-Eleven. Trusted providers such as AIS, DTAC, and TrueMove offer convenient tourist SIM packages with reliable coverage and easy setup, making it simple to get connected right after arrival. Wi-Fi is also widely available throughout Thailand, with most hotels, cafes, and restaurants offering free access for guests.
What is the tipping culture in Thailand? Tipping isn't mandatory but is appreciated. Round up bills, tip hotel staff, and leave small change for good service. A little generosity goes a long way.
Do I really need travel insurance for Thailand? Yes, travel insurance is strongly recommended to protect against medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and lost or stolen belongings. Make sure your policy covers any activities you plan to do, such as diving, motorbiking, or trekking. It's a small investment that offers peace of mind throughout your trip.
What are the best beaches in Thailand? Phuket's Patong, Kata, and Freedom Beach, Krabi's Railay, Phi Phi Island's Maya Bay, and Koh Samui's Chaweng and Lamai are all stunning. For a laid-back vibe, try Koh Lanta or Koh Chang. Paradise is everywhere.
Are there any scams I should be aware of? Watch for gem scams, closed attractions, and pushy tuk-tuk drivers. Keep valuables secure in crowds. Check motorbikes for damage before renting. Trust your instincts and stay alert.
What languages are spoken in Thailand? Thai is the official language of Thailand. While English is commonly spoken in tourist areas, hotels, and by many younger locals, learning a few basic Thai phrases can go a long way and is always appreciated. For easier communication, consider downloading the Google Translate app before your trip to help with language barriers.
How is the nightlife in Thailand? Thailand's nightlife is legendary. Bangkok's rooftop bars, Phuket's Bangla Road, Pattaya Walking Street, and Chiang Mai's night bazaars offer something for everyone. From quiet drinks to all-night parties, you'll find your scene.
How can I find reliable local guides in Thailand? Look for reputable tour companies like Klook and Get Your Guide. Check with your hotel, read online reviews, and ask fellow travelers for recommendations. Local tourism offices also offer reliable guide services.
How can I avoid getting sick from food in Thailand? Eat where locals eat, choose busy stalls and stick to cooked foods. Stick to bottled water. Street food is safe if cooked in front of you and served hot.
What are good souvenirs to buy in Thailand? Shop for Thai silk, handicrafts, spices, coconut oil products, and quirky elephant trinkets. Buy from reputable sources for quality.
Can I bargain while shopping in Thailand? Bargaining is expected in markets. Start low, smile, and meet in the middle. Keep it friendly, it's all part of the fun.
What are the best activities for adventure seekers in Thailand? Ziplining, scuba diving, rock climbing, whitewater rafting, jungle trekking, and kiteboarding. Thailand is an adventure playground. Railay Beach is a climbing hotspot. Chiang Mai and Phuket offer ziplining. There's a thrill for every adventurer.
What are some family-friendly activities in Thailand? Beyond beaches, enjoy ethical elephant sanctuaries, water parks, cooking classes, and tuk-tuk rides. Simple joys, like markets and sandcastles, make the best memories.
Finally, what are the must-have apps to download before traveling to Thailand? Here are the must-have apps to download before your Thailand trip. Download Google Maps for easy navigation and Grab for ride-hailing and food delivery. Google Translate is a lifesaver. Be sure to download Thai offline for quick use. Use Klook or Get Your Guide to book tours and experiences, and Agoda or Booking.com for finding great accommodation deals. Wise or Revolut are excellent for managing money with better exchange rates. Line is widely used in Thailand for messaging and even some bookings. Stay informed on air quality with AirVisual and check real-time exchange rates with XE currency. For local food delivery, Foodpanda and GrabFood are your go-to options. Having these apps ready will make your trip smoother and hassle-free.
Here you have it. 34 top Thailand travel questions answered. We hope these tips help make your journey smoother, safer, and more unforgettable. Enjoy every moment in the land of smiles. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check out the related video on your screen for more fascinating content. Explore our channel for even more exciting videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Globe Gazette for more incredible stories. Your support means everything to us. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.